हेलो फ्रेंड्स, गवर्नमेंट एग्जाम प्रिपरेशन चैनल पर आप सभी का स्वागत है। आज के इस वीडियो में हम आज 30 जनवरी 2026 की करंट अफेयर्स की इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन करेंगे, जो आपकी परीक्षा की दृष्टि से अत्यंत महत्वपूर्ण हैं। तो चलिए शुरुआत करते हैं। Which new rules did the Government of India notify for waste management from 1st April 2026? Right answer is Solid Waste Management Rules. Solid waste management rules were notified by the Government of India for waste management from 1st April 2026. Next question. What significant bilateral agreement was signed between India and the European Union in January 2026? Right answer is Free Trade Agreement. A free trade agreement was signed between India and the European Union in January 2026. Next question. Which wildlife sanctuary in Odisha was declared Maoist-free in January 2026? Right answer is Sunabeda Wildlife Sanctuary. Sunabeda Wildlife Sanctuary in Odisha was declared Maoist-free in January 2026. Next question. Which organization was designated as a terrorist organization by the European Union in January 2026? Right answer is IRGC. The European Union designated Iran's Revolutionary Guard Corps, IRGC, as a terrorist organization in January 2026. Next question. The Beating Retreat Ceremony 2026 paid tribute to which Indian sports team? Right answer is Indian Women's Cricket ODI team. The Beating Retreat Ceremony 2026 paid tribute to the Indian Women's Cricket ODI team. Next question. The new Aadhaar app launched in January 2026 focuses on which feature? Right answer is Privacy First updates. The new Aadhaar app launched in January 2026 focuses on Privacy First updates. Next question. What directive did the Calcutta High Court issue related to border infrastructure? Right answer is hand over land for BSF fencing. The Calcutta High Court directed authorities to hand over land for BSF fencing. Next question. Which body of scientists set the doomsday clock to 85 seconds to midnight? Right answer is Bulletin of Atomic Scientists. The doomsday clock is set by the Bulletin of Atomic Scientists. Next question. Which European country was severely affected by Storm Kristin? Right answer is Portugal. Portugal was severely affected by Storm Kristin. Next question. Spain announced amnesty for how many undocumented immigrants? Right answer is 5 lakh. Spain announced amnesty for around 5 lakh undocumented immigrants. Next question. How much worth of government bonds did RBI plan to purchase in January 2026? Right answer is 1 trillion rupees. The Reserve Bank of India planned to purchase government bonds worth 1 trillion rupees. Next question. Who were honored as wash warriors by the Ministry of Jal Shakti? Right answer is Grassroots Sanitation Champions. Grassroots Sanitation Champions were honored as wash warriors by the Ministry of Jal Shakti. Next question. What humanitarian activity continued between Russia and Ukraine in January 2026? Right answer is body exchange. Humanitarian body exchange continued between Russia and Ukraine. Next question. Which major global event was held in Davos, Switzerland in January 2026? Right answer is World Economic Forum. The World Economic Forum was held in Davos, Switzerland in January 2026. Next question. What is the key focus of the Solid Waste Management Rules 2026? Right answer is mandatory source segregation. Mandatory source segregation is the key focus of the Solid Waste Management Rules 2026. Next question. Which Indian state launched a special drive for 100% tap water coverage in January 2026? Right answer is Odisha. Odisha launched a special drive for 100% tap water coverage in January 2026. Next question. Republic Day 2026 chief guest represented which region? Right answer is Southeast Asia. The Republic Day 2026 chief guest represented Southeast Asia. Next question. Which Indian Armed Force showcased new drones during the Republic Day Parade 2026? Right answer is Indian Army. The Indian Army showcased new drones during the Republic Day Parade 2026. Next question. Which country joined BRICS as a new member in 2026? Right answer is Egypt. Egypt joined BRICS as a new member in 2026. Next question. India's first AI-based traffic management system was launched in which city? Right answer is Delhi. India's first AI-based traffic management system was launched in Delhi. Next question. Which organization released the Global Economic Outlook January 2026? Right answer is International Monetary Fund, IMF. The Global Economic Outlook January 2026 was released by the IMF. Next question. According to IMF, what is India's projected GDP growth rate for 2026? Right answer is 6.7%. According to IMF, India's projected GDP growth rate for 2026 is 6.7%. Next question. Which country hosted the Global Renewable Energy Summit 2026? Right answer is United Arab Emirates. The United Arab Emirates hosted the Global Renewable Energy Summit 2026. Next question. Which ministry launched the Digital Judiciary Mission in 2026? Right answer is Ministry of Law and Justice. The Digital Judiciary Mission was launched by the Ministry of Law and Justice. Next question. Which bank introduced biometric-based ATM withdrawals in 2026? Right answer is State Bank of India. The State Bank of India introduced biometric-based ATM withdrawals in 2026. Next question. India signed a space cooperation agreement with which country in January 2026? Right answer is Japan. India signed a space cooperation agreement with Japan in January 2026. Next question. Which state topped the Startup Ecosystem Ranking 2025-26? Right answer is Karnataka. Karnataka topped the Startup Ecosystem Ranking 2025-26. Next question. Which organization declared 2026 as the Year of Sustainable Tourism? Right answer is UNWTO. The United Nations World Tourism Organization declared 2026 as the Year of Sustainable Tourism. Next question. Which city hosted the National Urban Innovation Summit 2026? Right answer is Kochi. Kochi hosted the National Urban Innovation Summit 2026. Next question. The theme of National Voters' Day 2026 was related to what? Right answer is Youth Participation and Digital Voting. The theme of National Voters' Day 2026 focused on youth participation and digital voting. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.